Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to trim video clips directly inside Microsoft PowerPoint. No extra software needed. Whether you're polishing up a business presentation or adding some flair to a school project, learning this trick can make your slides look far more professional and engaging. Let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation that contains the video you want to edit. Navigate to the slide where your video is located. It's important to have it right in front of you so you can work directly in context. Now, click on the video. You'll see a border appear around it. That means it's selected. Once selected, look at the top menu bar and click on the Playback tab. This is where all of PowerPoint's video editing tools live. Inside the Playback tab, you'll find an option labeled Trim Video. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, and this is where the magic happens. You'll notice two green and red sliders at the bottom of the window. The green one marks where your video starts, and the red one marks where it ends. Simply drag these sliders to set the exact start and end points you want. What's great is that you can preview your trimmed video right there in the same window. Play it a few times to make sure it starts and stops exactly where you want. No awkward pauses or extra seconds. Take your time here to get it perfect. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click OK and PowerPoint will automatically apply your trimming. Now, whenever you play your video during your presentation, it will only show the selected portion, clean, polished, and right on point. And that's it. You've just learned how to trim videos in PowerPoint like a pro. This simple feature can make a huge difference in keeping your presentations focused and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint and presentation tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy presenting.